If you want to add C translation option to your Instagram bio, in this video I will show you how. Just follow the simple steps and you'll be able to add C translation option to your bio in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, first open up your Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So the thing is that, the C translation option is an automatic feature on Instagram and you can't manually add it to your Instagram bio, because there is no such option available in the settings. The C translation option is automatically going to be visible on your Instagram bio only if you have your bio written in some other language. For example, if I have my bio written in Spanish and someone from France comes to my profile, they will see the translate option on my Instagram bio, and they can tap on that to see my bio in French. So let me show you what I mean. Let's tap on Edit Profile. And I'm going to write something in my bio in a different language. And as you can see, it is now in a different language. So let me show you what my profile looks like to someone else by switching to another account. And there you have it. My bio is now showing C translation and I can simply tap on it to translate my bio. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.